Okay. So basically, I have this gentleman on Facebook that's just, for all intents and purposes, he's basically calling me a liar and a fear mongerer. And, I'm just peddling in fear. He doesn't say that about the mainstream media, but he says it about me. I'm going to show you exactly where to go on the CDC's website, the Center for Disease Control. I'm going to show you exactly where to go to find the numbers that I'm talking about. P and I. P ampersand I. Pneumonia and influenza mortality rates. Meaning the amount of people who have died from the seasonal flu or pneumonia starting from October 1st, 2019 to today's date. You will need a calculator because the numbers are large. Turn this thing on. Jesus. Let's go. .gov. Not com, gov. Excuse the Nancy Drew book up there. It's for my little one. Okay. And that brings us to the CDC's website. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Okay. That's legit. That's the CDC's website. Go over to this handy dandy little search over here and you're going to type in FluView, the interactive tracker that they keep track of these numbers. Rather than being a fearmonger, I want people to be informed about what they're not being told. So now we're in FluView, interactive. We're not going to do ILI, viral surveillance, hospitalizations, activity. No, we're going to go to P&I mortality. Pneumonia and influenza mortality surveillance from the National Center for Health Statistics Mortality Surveillance System. This application shows national, regional, and state level pneumonia and influenza, P&I, mortality data from the National Center for Health Statistics Mortality Surveillance System. I'm going to click that link. And we go here. Click that little disclaimer crap out of the way. As you can see, national summary for week 28 ending July 11th, 2020. Take this little slider here. Bring it all the way back to week 1. Okay? That week ends October 5th, 2019. It starts on October 1st. Or the first week in October, whatever you want to call it. I know that's not 7 days, but here we go. So that's on the first week, okay? And what you will see down here, week, number of influenza deaths. And I start in October of 2019 because that is the official beginning of the flu season. Per the CDC, all the health folks out there. Anyway, week, number of influenza deaths, number of pneumonia deaths, total deaths, that includes all kind of shit, I guess. Not just, pneumonia and influenza, because obviously 2714 and 16 don't equal that. Where those other deaths, what are they? I don't know. Maybe it's COVID, but not according to the actual data and numbers. Okay, so the percentage complete for reporting during that week is 100%. Okay? What are we going to do next? We're going to go up here and we're going to click over one time. See that? Week 40 was the first week. Now it's week 41. Number of influenza deaths. Number of pneumonia deaths. Okay? Now what I want you to do is click and go through every single week. Now take notice when you're using your calculator, only add this top one because you're going to be double counting and get a way bigger number than nearly 200,000. Just do that first one, okay? So you take that 18, you're going to have to do them separately or together, doesn't matter to me. 29.91, okay? All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this little guy right here on those. And I'm gonna be up here clicking away. See the numbers changing? Can you see them? Really started getting serious about that time. And it starts over. Okay, so you're seeing now, you're like, oh, that's week 10. That's got to be wrong. No. All right, week 52, December 28th, 2019. We're going to, oh, go back. All right, so then it starts back at week 1, but that's still in the same system, the same season. Okay. You're going to love these numbers. It's crazy. Well, I'll just tell you what, man. When we start getting... Look at that. It jumped up to 6,000 in 1 week from pneumonia. Then 9,800, 11,877, 11,295, 10,248. We're starting to go back down. 8820, 7686. And you can see for yourself, and take a damn calculator and add it all up. And I did this a few days ago, and I came up with these numbers right here. Pneumonia, flu equals that fucking number. What else do you want me to do, bud?